Welcome to my channel. Netgear AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 Extender Setup and Installation. 1. Unbox and plug in. Unpack the extender and plug it into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. 2. Connect to the extender. Open your device's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, e.g., Netgear_AX1800. 3. Access the setup page. Open a browser and type http://mywifi.xte.net into the address bar to access the extender's setup page. 4. Log in. Create a new account or log in with your Netgear credentials to start the setup process. 5. Select Setup Mode. Choose Wi-Fi Range Extender Mode to extend your existing network. 6. Choose your router's network. From the list of available networks, select your router's Wi-Fi name, SSID. 7. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Input your router's Wi-Fi password and click Next to connect the extender to your network. 8. Reposition the extender. Unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. 9. Check the signal LED. Ensure the extender's signal light indicates a strong connection. Check the manual for color codes. 10. Connect devices to the extender. Connect your devices to the extended network, e.g., your network_ext, and confirm the connection is stable. Thank you for watching.